PD Britannica. What's a Bodhrán? You know, couldn't find Bodhrán in it at all. But my first attempt was made, it was like an egg shape, and it went all wrong, but I had my first Bodhrán anyway.
Sílim féin nach raibh an Bodhrán sa tradiisiún ar chorab ribh na seascaí a chaháin láháin in ag na bliana lála Stéfán nar a bhí na daoine ag seile an drólín. Dar ní hála súlaháin nó dúirt sé sa Crossroads Conference hartar 8 bliana ó hin. Nuair a bhí sé ag caint le daoine éasta hart ar 1970 mar sin. Gnúirt na daoine sin go mbeadh tú as do bheabhar dá thóg tú an Bodhrán amach éon lá seachas lála Stéfán. Bheadh sé go súil le seamróg a gcaitheamh I Meabh nó mar rud go súil sin. Ceapan go raibh annach chuid tionchar ag sean riada ar an Bodhrán agus an stádas atá ag an mórán sa Cheoil tradiisiúnta. Thóg sé an Bodhrán in áid frimúil stocha. Thóg sé an Cheoil ar fad go dtí na hala frimúla nar bhí na Cheolcailmeach ar siúil le Ceoltóirí Chualann. Bhí sin an háchtach mar bhí na daoine sa phobal ag féchant ar an fearr tábhachtach seo ag seint an Bodhrán. So stocha gur chuir sé go mór leis an stádas an Bodhrán.
The Bodhrán has changed a lot over the years. You would see a lot of the older ones tend to have sort of narrow rims on them. They're crude enough looking instruments, if you call them that. But in the last couple of years, things have changed a lot. In respect of Seamus, he's one of the kind of forefathers of the development of the Bodhrán as regards tunable Bodhráns. A lot of the older Bodhráns will go up to a fire. You heat the skin, it goes hard. After 15 minutes, it's like a wet paper bag. So you're doing that back and forth. And as a result, then the properties in the skin, with the expansion and contraction, you have a flappy skin on the Bodhrán. Seamus's Bodhráns kind of counteract that because of a little tuning mechanism in the back. Basically, the tunable system is to counteract room temperature, depending on the environment that you're playing in. Seamus's ones do that very well.
The thing that really denotes a great player, I think, is that their music is instantly recognisable, and Seamus has that. When you hear that drum, you hear that